Hi, my name is Muhammad Usmanur, and today I am going to present polymer confined geopolymer concrete columns. As for the introduction, we all know that the ordinary Portland cement is a commonly used binder in the making of concrete, but it produces carbon dioxide. 1 ton of cement produces about 1 ton of carbon dioxide. It is also predicted that the carbon dioxide emissions from the manufacture of cement is total around 1.35 billion tons per year. So to reduce this amount or to minimize it, we can use a substitute in place of ordinary Portland cement, which is geopolymer. What is a geopolymer concrete? It's a concrete which uses geopolymer instead of ordinary Portland cement in its making. The utilization of geopolymer concrete is growing steadily, particularly for chemical resistant constructions in businesses and research to expand the range of possibilities. Recent research on the performance of fly ash based geopolymers have revealed that a geopolymer binder based on fly ash has a high design strength. So, summary of the key points in literature. Extensive research has been conducted over several years to confirm the potential of geopolymer concrete as a possible alternative construction material to cement. Creep and shrinkage behavior of geopolymer concrete-based concrete is less than that of ordinary Portland cement-based concrete, and it is almost double for the latter, meaning that geopolymer concrete outperform the ordinary Portland cement concrete in creep and shrinkage. So my research question is the behavior to investigate the behavior and effect of creep and long-term strength and durability properties of geopolymer-based concrete columns with and without glass fiber reinforced polymer bars as a confinement to column specimens. I'll use fiber reinforced polymer bars as reinforcement and then compare the results of both. For, for the significance, this process will result in increase in compressive strength of the concrete, increase in durability characteristics for columns, increase and it will also increase in the design strength and it will reduce the creeps in the column. So for my experimental research, I have the following materials: glass fiber reinforced tube with which will be used as reinforcement in the fly ash based concrete, and then low calcium class F fly ash will be used to prepare geopolymer concrete. This is the list of the composition of fly ash. It contains all these particles in this amount. Mixed proportion that will be used in order to prepare test specimen will use coarse aggregate with the following densities as you can see in the table below. And for these solutions will be used sodium hydroxide solution, super plasticizer, and extra water. For the specimen preparation, for preparing the specimens, geopolymer concrete will be poured with glass fiber reinforced polymer bars as reinforcement, and the GFRP have the following properties as shown in the figure. As you can see the bar diameter and area of the bar and elastic modulus and the other properties of GFRP. For the design, laboratory experiments will be done on all the samples in order to compare the results of specimen with the GFRP reinforcement. GFRP is the glass fiber reinforced polymer and without any reinforcement. So these tests would be done to determine the properties like density, creep, shrinkage, and ductility. These are the advantages of my research process. This experimental material, the experimental material used in the process is of high quality. This design will determine both the qualitative and quantitative results, and creep of geopolymer concrete with GFRP bars reinforcement will be substantially less as compared to the GPC concrete without any reinforcement. And these are the limitations for my design. It's a high cost process, requires a lot of experiments to be done on different specimens, The specimens are tested for creep for 6 and 12 months period, which is a long duration. So it is a time consuming process. As a result, all in all, we can say that the introduction of glass fiber reinforced polymer in reinforcement in the concrete will decrease the creep and increase the strength of the concrete as compared to the other concrete without any reinforcement. So these are the results. Thank you for listening.